Hi, how are you? We are here in Crystal River. We're not very far from the Gulf of Mexico, the wonderful Crystal River Beach. We're in an area where there's like acreage parcels. There are some big houses all the way through. It's a homes only area. This one right here is a corner lot. So the property goes from that end all the way down yonder. So you got just 2.24 acres, just under 2.5 acres. So you can check that information out. We got double driveways coming in. This is concrete all the way up. That one's got a concrete apron with asphalt taking you back to the garage. I think what he told me is that his dad used to have a little garden back in this area over here. So they got some that's still naturally wooded and some of it that is set up where he had a garden area. We're going to come through here. The guy loved chains. So we're going to do an on-site auction here. And there's going to be lots of stuff for sale. We got the shed that's full, the house is full. So you're going to watch dudleysauctions.com because you'll see it. Like, see all those chains over there? He's got lots of chains, lots of tools, lots of military stuff, firearms, the big trailer. But look how beautiful this piece of real estate is. There's amazing trees. I love these oaks. Then they come over and they just all bend all over the place. You see the house, the roof looks in good shape. I can't see where permits have been pulled for a new roof anytime recently, but it does look like a fairly good or newer roof. And check out this backyard. You got lots of room back through there. There's a fence on the back line of the property back in that neck of the woods. All right, so we're going to look at the house. I want to show you the big barn. It's huge. Now the house has this part right here is the screen porch, and then that's the back bedroom over there. They've taken the garage and they turned it into an in-law suite. That's really cool. We'll show you that. Now, since the house is so full and the garage is so full, it's hard to really show you everything that comes with the place, but it will be an adventure. And then dudleysauctions.com will have photos of the items that are up for sale that'll be at the auction. And then it gives you a chance to come in and have a sneak preview so you can check it out. It's really cool. So again, asphalt here. There's your corner lot there. We're walking all the way around. They are selling this dual axle trailer as well. All this really cool yard art. Hey, where'd you go? We're just kind of walking around, checking things out. There's water over there. There you are. Now the garage door is still here, but there's not a garage, okay? So you are not driving your car up inside of it, but you can park. So we're gonna stop real quick. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's got a lot of stuff. It's gonna be a really cool auction. We'll come back and take pictures again and videos when it looks much better. So here we go. So you have your entryway. You got your cathedral ceilings. You got your living room, dining room opened up. Got a night gallery kitchen. All right. Like I said, a lot of cool stuff. Laundry room. Oh, she's going in the kitchen. I'm following. Kitchen, right into the dining room. Screen porch back there. There are 2 bedrooms and a bath on this side. Okay. Wouldn't be much to enclose that since it's concrete block and not just a screen porch. So you could put windows in there and make it some additional living area. This room back here. Again, some of the military stuff. We haven't been in the safe has, so there's all kinds of cool stuff in here. We're going to go into the bathroom. Standard bath. Look, is there a window? Is there a light? Ta-da! There's a light. Another bedroom. It has the blinds. So it'll look so much better when we get it cleaned out. Linen, two linen closets. Can you come out? Okay. 2 linen closets. We're sliding back through here. Nice little pantry. So we're going to open up the pantry. So just to give you an idea, you know, being a certified estate specialist means that I can help you through. I help estates all the way through from doing the personal property appraisals, help figure out what's going to be liquidated, help figure out what's going to be donated. On the 12th, all this stuff will be out. A lot of the same issues that sometimes people who are out of state just don't have time to take care of it. But here we're in the master bedroom. Fans, lights, walk-in closet. Got a pocket door? No, it's a regular door for the walk-in closet. Master bath. Separate room for the toilet and the shower. Another walk-in. So you have two walk-in shower or two walk-in closets. How cool is that? Here, we're gonna crank this up and play some music. All right, come on. Where are we going next? Oh, we're going into where you're gonna stick your relatives' room. Through the laundry room. And it's got a fairly, the Rheem AC unit, heat and AC. Whoops. Closet in here. They've taken the garage and they turned it into, it was like an in-law suite, efficiency apartment, got a little apartment stove kind of thing going on there. Its own entrance over this way and a bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet. You know, little Frenchie and me showing up there. But, this just gives you that extra living space, even if it was just going to be your crafts room or something else that you want to do. You're going to have to watch the pictures to see the inside of the barn because I've already locked it up. But it's huge. It's full. It's got lots of shelves. It's got a little loft area. It's got an extra room that's lockable in the back side of it. And while you're looking at things, make sure you Google Citrus County and Crystal River, and you'll see what a cool place this is. And this is a wonderful little neighborhood. So it gives you the freedoms, no HOA. So if you want to park your trailer, you can. If you want to have your garden over there, you can. So there's like some really wonderful advantages to buying in here. So watch that. Watch for some of the other ones. You're making me dizzy. Watch for some of the other ones. And we got one in Ocala coming up. I got another one in Beverly Hills. We went today and saw 3 more. So there's always cool stuff. Make sure you download the property information package and call me because I can help you because that's what I'm here for. All right. Chat soon. Bye.